So, hi guys! Ngayon, alam ko kung bakit napadaan kayo dito sa video na to kasi gusto nyo malaman kung bakit nga ba ang derivative ng e to the x ay yung initial function niya, which is e of the x lang naman. May mga formulas and theories lang tayo na dapat alam natin upang ma-prove natin na si e to the x ay derivative niya e to the x talaga. We start from the definition of derivative, which is f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of the function e to the x, pero x plus h siya. So, e raised to the x plus h minus its initial function, which is e to the x divided by h. Yun, kung i-substitute natin ng 0, maalanganin tayo. Kasi it will cause value, or should I say, undefined. Yun. Sunod, copy, f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. Sa law of exponent, sabi doon, na kapag ang isang base, ang exponent niya is for instance dito x plus h, pwede natin siyang i-break down into two parts. Okay, pwede natin sabihin na ang a raised to m plus n is equal daw to a raised to m, then multiplied siya sa a raised to n. So itong concept na to i-apply natin dito sa e to the x plus h. Okay. So, i-break down natin e, which is x, times e ulit, raised to h naman. Subtracted to e to the x all over h. Yun. So, copy. Ngayon, sunod na naman natin gagawin is i-factor out natin yung numerator. Okay? So, ano ba dito ang nakikita nyong factorable? Yung e to the x power. Okay? So, ilalabas natin si e to the x power multiplied to the quantity e to the h minus e to the x divided sa e to the x is 1. Okay? All over h. So, sunod, may limit theories tayo na gagamitin dito. Ilabas natin si e to the x. Okay? Then, i-multiply natin sa limit as h approaches 0 of the e to the h minus 1 over h. So, ano nga ba ang limit as h approaches 0 of e to the h minus 1 all over h? So, by using the left and right hand limit, exist sila both, or approaches sila both sa value of 1. So, ibig sabihin, we can conclude that this term is equal to 1. And 1 times e to the x is just e to the x. So, ayun. Ganun po ang pag-prove na si e to the x ay ang derivative niya e to the x.